When you cut the trunk, there are a few things you need to consider. Where does the cut piece end up when you've sawn it off? And what happens with the rest of the tree when you've cut off a large, heavy piece? Watch your feet. If the log end suspends freely, you will of course cut from the top. But start with a small cut at the bottom to avoid splitting. Now saw it off from the top straight down in the cut. However, if the log is resting on both ends, you should cut from underneath. First, make a small cut on the top side before you cut underneath. Remember that your left thumb must always grip around the front handle. Run at full throttle before you apply the saw. Work on the saw body as close to the trunk as possible, and remember to stand a little diagonally back behind the saw, not straight behind. If your saw jams, you must never try to pull the saw loose with the engine running. You must shut down the engine instead and prise up the log to ensure the saw comes loose. When you move with the saw, you carry it by the front handle with the chain brake applied or the engine switched off.